I'm here with Dan, and we're going to talk about these MagicBand Plus, the new addition to the MagicBand. Is this in addition to regular MagicBands that are out right now?
It is in addition. It is the next evolution of the existing MagicBand, and you know how popular the MagicBands have been since we introduced them back in 2013. In fact, they've become synonymous for a hands-free and convenient guest experience here at Walt Disney World Resort. This is the next evolution. It's called MagicBand Plus. As you can see, it has some new capabilities in addition to all the things that our guests love about the current MagicBands. It has lights, has colors, it has haptics, so it can vibrate to let you know when you're in the vicinity of the magic. And it even has things like gesture recognition, so you know when your arm is raised or extended. And all of those capabilities come together to power new magical moments across the Walt Disney World Resort.
These MagicBands here, is it okay if I pick one up?
Of course.
All right.
Yes.
And so if I take it off the stand as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It's an
so
early
these
design,
MagicBand-
but
Okay.
you get the gist.
All right. So since this is an early design, is this do we know exactly when this is going to roll out?
So we will be introducing them in 2022.
Okay.
As we know a little bit more about specifics, we'll be sure to communicate those dates.
All right. They're very nice. Yeah, they're very. It's very similar in weight to the other ones. Are they still waterproof?
They are waterproof,
Okay.
and one of the things that I love about them, similar to our existing MagicBands, is so many different opportunities, design, features, colors. You can see one thing that's unique about these is printing on the actual face. And when you combine that with the lights and the colors, really creates a magical experience for our guests.
Yeah, I've only actually seen, I think, one other MagicBand that had something different on the face, and there was a Miles Morales one that you guys came out with.
That
I
came
have
out
that
recently.
One.
It's awesome. Yeah. So lots of cool experiences that you'll be able to experience with the MagicBand Plus. Some examples. Imagine being able to go on a virtual bounty hunter experience at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Okay.
And
Is that what this one's?
That's an example of one that would be very in theme for that experience. Imagine being able to use the MagicBand Plus and all these cool capabilities to interact with the new Disney Fab 50 character collection that we're introducing as part of the celebration.
So, like, how would it interact with, like, a statue, for example?
So there's some fun experiences, because one of the things that this MagicBand can do also is integrate with your smartphone. So imagine experiences that initiate on the MagicBand Plus, but really pay off in terms of a really fun experience through our Play Disney Parks app.
So something like your wristband shakes, so you check your phone, and then it tells you something about the statues.
Absolutely.
Oh, right. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna take a look at this one.
Yeah, and imagine also even with the lights, the colors, the haptics, and introducing a new dimension of magic to our nighttime spectaculars. Obviously Harmonious at Epcot did the new Disney Enchantment show at the Magic Kingdom. Super cool things that we can do to sort of, add more glow to those shows.
And speaking of glow with the show, is this related? Like, if you have an old glow with the show,
certain elements, yeah. But for me, this is a much more personal experience for your family.
Right.
You have your MagicBand Pluses. They're all sort of lighting, vibrating. It creates a sort of a new, magical moment.
Right, because if you had the ears on your head, you couldn't really see them
couldn't see
because they
them.
were on top of you.
Exactly.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I know you said that if you raise your hand, it would know that. Is there a button, or is there any way to push on it or do anything?
There are some elements that we'll just sort of hold for future experiences that will allow you to interact. But yes, it's the ability to sort of recognize those gestures and trigger magical experiences, either physically around you or maybe within even your smartphone.
I think I understand what you're putting down. Like, if you wave your hand over something, a magical whatever might, I see what you mean.
The possibilities are endless.
Yes,
literally.
exactly.
Do you know battery life on them?
Well, that's actually a good point. One of the questions is it is a rechargeable battery. So unlike our existing MagicBands, these are rechargeable. They'll come with a cable that will allow you to do that.
Nice. I know, I see these are more plain, and whereas these have more design. Will it be the same as the MagicBands are now, where some are a little bit more expensive than others?
Yeah, there'll be different price points depending on the styles, the limited edition, those types of things for sure.
Is the general price point higher or than what we're doing now?
At this point, we're not prepared to share the specific pricing, though. One thing that we are absolutely going to consider is our pre-arrival discounted pricing for especially our Walt Disney World Resort guests, our annual pass holders, and so forth. So, absolutely something that we're going to look at.